So we've got the main Trendmaster, okay, the 1 hour. You know, yesterday we just popped back down here and had a dip below. Look at that, straight onto the Trendmaster level. I think that's where that's what I posted. That was where the green box is. So if you can see here, the first dip down, bounced off the Trendmaster level, had a small kind of underside retest, poked its head out, and then dropped down into this area. So let's just have a little look at what's been happening in this scaling zone. So you know, the scaling zone, it's come down, hit that. Now we've got this, it's almost like 2-3 divergences, okay. So 3 divergences. This peak, it hasn't gone any lower on the Overwatch. I'm looking at the left hand side here, and then the following one has dropped down even lower into the scaling zone, and I think that was around the 70.5 level. So if you just look here, A to B, so yeah, touched exactly on the 70.5 level. So you know, in that video we was talking about the 1, 2, 3 scaling levels, and we hit 2 of them. So managed to get position, but not as much as we would like. But hey ho, this is where I wanted to just pick up today and just talk about how we can just scale those other positions potentially in. So you know, we've got 2 scaling positions here. As this has moved up, had a bit of a spike up into the low tide, that's the boundary, yeah, the boundary level, and then it's poked its way up. So at the point where it's come down here and almost like rested on the Trendmaster level before going up, this is the perfect time where you can scale in those additional positions before it moves up. Okay, ideally, this is why I've put this moving average here. Just got this moving average, so on the point just here where it breaks back up is a good point to add in. So yeah, I mean 25k is the target. I mean, we've had 3 drives now, so I'm not going to put immense money on this. I can see a potential move down coming. I'm not going to bet on it, but it's almost losing its steam. But knowing Bitcoin, we could see a final blow off and then a move down. But who knows? You know, the best thing to do is we're just going to hold this position as much as we can and go from there. So just to wrap up, the fib entry, okay, we can move this kind of stop loss into profits now. So we've got 1 position, 2 positions, so the average will be in the middle there. I don't know the exact price, so the stop loss can straight away just move up into profits, and I'm thinking it might be best just to move the stop loss either here or maybe, whoops, or maybe you can move it a bit higher, say underneath, let me have a look here, maybe underneath the lower boundary, so just there. Okay, so that's cool. So yeah, okay, so with that being said, guys, I'm going to log off now, and we will pick this back up at some point when we've had some updates, and we'll go from there. Cool. See ya.